It's safe to say there is no red carpet like the red carpet at the Met Gala, also known as the Party of the Year, featuring the most famous, bold-faced names in the world. Rihanna stole the show in a rap that had the longest train ever. Maneuvering was a task that required an entire entourage. The train was so enormous, overnight it became an internet sensation. One meme turned the train into a pizza. Once inside the ball, she wore a barely there dress. Katie Holmes was gorgeous in a sexy Zac Posen gown.
How does the Met measure up?
I think it's very high on the list. It's full of great drama.
Beyonce never disappoints wearing a sheer Givenchy gown. J-Lo is a showstopper in a sheer Versace, a real knockout. Kim Kardashian was not to be outdone, wearing sheer 2 by Roberto Cavalli. And how about this moment we caught as J-Lo was posing? We saw Kanye sneaking a glance at the star's incredible body. Pandemonium erupted when George Clooney and his wife Amal arrived. Sarah Jessica Parker had everyone talking about her headpiece and the dress she designed in collaboration with H&M.
Here we go.
She was game to do a selfie along with Bravo's Andy Cohen. Yankee legend Derek Jeter arrived with his girlfriend Hannah Davis, the first red carpet they've ever done. I wanted to know what life is like for him now.
Did you actually say you don't miss baseball?
I found some other things to do, so I'm enjoying myself.
Yeah?
Cher rarely does the red carpet these days. She wore Marc Jacobs, arriving with the designer. The Met Gala is very special to her.
When's the last time you were here?
This is my 4th time, but I was here at the first one. I was here in 1973, and that was the most important one to me, and tonight.
Madonna got a kiss on her hand by designer Jeremy Scott, who designed her dress and cape, which had Rebel Heart printed on the back, the name of her new album. She joked to us about wearing a cape.
Madonna, you're rocking that cape. Look at you.
I'm afraid of no cape.
The Met Ball kicks off the exhibit China Through the Looking Glass, an exhibit at the Metropolitan Museum of Art Costume Institute. And what a kickoff it was.